Hey guys, may share ako sa inyo. Alam mo ba, may message si YouTube sa akin. Basahin nyo guys.
You can now choose from our library of motion presets to animate your photo with one click.
Gayahin natin guys. So, ayan, mag-upload tayo ng... Mamimili ka dyan guys ng photo to video. Ayan. Tapos, i-generate niya guys yung pictures natin. Tapos, after niya ma-generate guys, may bibigay siyang ganyan. Suddenly, mamimili ka dyan guys kung anong gusto mong ginagawa ng video mo. Suddenly, large, bright yellow sunflower rapidly grow along the path. The concrete road turns into bright, or the sky fills with rapidly floating. A small, colorful monkey jumps. Woman puts on a large, forestic, shiny silver sunglasses suddenly. Ano kaya maganda dyan? So, try natin to guys. The concrete road turned into a bright, flowing blue river. Try natin. Hindi. Ito pala. So, try natin. Na-cute ako guys. Tingnan nyo. Ang cute guys. So, continue nyo lang. Mamili ka na lang guys kung lalagyan mo ng sound. Ayun guys. Upload natin guys. Try lang.